Hi there, and welcome to another Beaver Builder tutorial. In this video, we're taking a quick look at the text editor module. This is one of the most flexible and widely used modules in Beaver Builder. It's perfect for adding blocks of text, whether you're writing a paragraph, creating a list, or inserting inline media like images or links. Let's get started. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress site and editing the page using Beaver Builder. Click the plus icon in the top right corner to open the content panel. Then drag the text editor module into the section where you want the content to appear. As soon as you drop it in, the settings panel will open to the General tab. Here, you'll see a familiar text editor, just like the one used in the standard WordPress post and page editor. At the top, you have three main options: Add Media, Visual and Code. Add Media opens the WordPress media library, allowing you to insert images, audio, or other media directly into your text block. But it's the Visual tab, which is where most users work in. It gives you a live preview of how your text will appear, along with a formatting toolbar. You can add bold or italic styling, create bulleted or numbered lists, align text, add headings, and more. The Code tab switches the editor into HTML mode. This is useful if you want to write custom markup or insert shortcodes. An important note is that if you're pasting text from another source, like Word or Google Doc, it's a good idea to use the clear formatting button if things look strange. This function helps remove any unwanted styles or hidden code. As an alternative, before pasting your content, you can place the mouse cursor anywhere in the text box field and right-click to display the paste options and select Paste as Plain Text. This will remove any hidden or embedded code and simply paste the text into your field, which you can then format as required. Text Editor is perfect for simple content, and it's a great choice when you don't need a more complex layout. Now let's head over to the Style tab. This is where you can customize the appearance of your text. You can set the text color, adjust the font family, size, weight, spacing, and line height, all within the typography section. These options are great for matching your text to your brand or page design, and everything is responsive, so you can fine-tune it for different screen sizes. And finally, we have the Advanced tab. Here you can set margin spacing for each breakpoint: desktop, tablet, and mobile. You'll also find visibility controls, entrance animations, and options to add custom IDs, CSS classes, or inline styling if needed. We've created a separate video that walks you through everything available in the Advanced tab, so be sure to check that out if you'd like to explore those features in more detail. Once you're happy with your text, click Save, then click Done in the top right corner, and don't forget to click Publish to apply your changes. And that's all there is to it. Try out the text editor module and see how easy it is to add styled, flexible content to your page.
Thanks for watching. And don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. We read every comment and try to answer any questions you have. If you found this video useful, give us a like and consider subscribing. It really helps grow the channel. Please also consider sharing, as we really want to help the Beaver Builder community. For more hints and tips, visit learnbeaverbuilder.com, and we'll see you in the next one.